Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I would like to share with you two key principles, or I'll say lessons I learned from my past experiences of learning English. And both of them helped me big times because I never studied abroad, so I practice English by myself. It might seem simple, but actually they're basics. If you overlook them, they may hold us back. So if you have no idea where to start, or you are totally beginners, or you don't know how to progress, just follow me in this video. The first one is about pronunciation and accent. Many of you ask me how to improve my pronunciation. Should I practice American accent or British accent? So my answer is accent is not everything, but pronunciation, correct pronunciation is the basics, and you need to improve your pronunciation. Based on all of that, if you have a better accent, it can boost your confidence when you are speaking English, giving speech. So it doesn't matter whether you are learning American accent or British one, they're the same. They have no difference actually. As long as you can express yourself clearly, that's the best English. So I use Daily English, this app, to practice my pronunciation because you can go back to the sentence or the word you are not familiar with or you're not sure about. And you can listen very carefully to the subtle differences between your pronunciation and a native speaker's pronunciation. That's very important because sometimes we have a kind of temptation to say it's close enough, it's the same, but actually your pronunciation is a little bit different from the correct one. For example, like ship, sheep, bit, beat. The difference is only in the vowels, right? They can have totally different meanings. And also for some words, like fake, fic, you are not sure about the vowel pronunciation in the middle of the word, but actually you just let it go. And that can cause you accumulate errors all the time, and it's hard for you to correct them in the future. So if you want your pronunciation more natural and more like a native speaker, you need to pay attention to the subtle difference in the vowel sound, consonant sounds, and even the intonation. You need to mimic it. It doesn't matter what kind of materials you are listening, you just choose something that you can understand. Maybe you can understand like 85% of it. That's the best one. Remember that no matter what you are listening to, you will get something, you will learn something. Okay, the second principle is about textbook. I'm now learning French myself, and I choose a textbook to start because I think textbook can help a beginner or someone who wants to progress to form a kind of habit of learning English, because you can learn a chapter every day and remember the vocabulary, learn some of the grammar, and even you can try to recite the passage. Nowadays, we can see a bunch of different materials or sources from the websites or social media, but actually, if you really want to form a habit or learn a language constantly, you need to choose a textbook from the very beginning. That's my opinion. Because textbooks are those well-organized contents, including grammar, vocabulary, articles. So it includes everything you need to master a language. From my point of view, for beginners, you can definitely start with New Concept English. That's a very classic one. It's really popular or useful even now. So you can start from that. So for those intermediate or advanced learners, you can choose something more difficult, like some debate books. I'll just put all of these books here and you can choose anything you like. So here you are, that's the two principles or lessons I learned from my past experiences. The first is about pronunciation. I'm working hard to improve my accent and pronunciation to make myself fall in love with the feeling of speaking English. That's true. And the second one is about textbook. Now I'm learning a new language, so that's the biggest lesson I learned from this experience. If you're interested in this method, just tell me in the comments whether you have tried them before. And I'm Lindsay. If you find this video helpful, give a like and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.